The expansion of the universe. Einstein's equations tell us that the universe is expanding. This discovery surprised everyone. For decades thereafter, scientists thought the universe exploded out of the Big Bang, and has been slowing down ever since. But they were wrong. The universe's expansion has recently been speeding up. This mysterious re-expansion is driven by what we call dark energy. About 5 billion years ago, this mysterious anti-gravity began pushing the universe outwards once more. The Holy Quran describes this perfectly. And we have built the heaven with might, and we continue to expand it indeed. This astonishing verse does not just tell us that the universe has expanded. The Arabic La Musiyuna tells us that the universe is continuing to expand. Such a statement is a sure sign of the Prophet Muhammad's truth, peace be upon him. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you wish to see videos like these in future.